just got a, got to do a solder job on an old, what is that, a Ford Ranger? Like 1988? It's called a Ford. I'll have to edit out the language there, but yeah, it's a Ford Ranger. You got a wire in the alternator. We did a pretty sweet trick there. You got to work on bacon, as my friend Ben likes to call Fords. I like to call them job security. This is how you solder on the wiring. Check this out. Get your little torch out. Oh, fired up. Look at that. That's in there nice and tight. Looks clean. That looks factory, man. Look at that. Damn Griff, you go, boy. Hell yeah, brother. All right, see the next one. Just jam it in the hole a little bit. And like that movie, The Crow, I believe they said, fire it up, fire it up. Get a little hot. It's getting hot in here, so solder your wires there. Look at that. Nice, nice. That looks clean, dude. Time to bring the bacon home. Bring home the bacon. Don't they call it? Bring home the bacon. Bring home the money. A little hot. Look at that. See that one? That turned out nice. All right, put some heat shrink tubing on that. You're ready to roll. That's it, guys. You're all set. Don't cruise by the high school with this. Not that cool. Son. Go pack up, get your family some groceries. You know, that's what men do to take care of their family. Hey, if this helped, please like and subscribe. And send me some money if you want to. Drop this knowledge on you free of charge. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks a lot for your viewership.